后来继续来看辉达的执行长黄仁勋昨来到台湾，今仔日透早第一件代志，就是去改头换面加头毛。伊对家己新的头毛型是真满意，设计师阁特别送伊一个山羊尾仔的红仔，要祝福辉达继续来做带头羊。黄仁勋今仔日爱开2场的会，爱去2个所在食尾鸡。伊讲伊今仔日规工拢会真无闲。
What do you think about my haircut?
I like it. It's great.
问大家家己新的头毛型有好看无？辉达的执行长黄仁勋伫台北第一天行程，就是改头换面，一透早就去设度加头妆。
My favorite barber in the world.
Jason, you're here.
头毛店楼顶的美将欢喜甲黄仁勋拍招呼。这名美发师送予黄仁勋的新年礼物是一个山羊造型的红仔，祝福辉达继续做带头的企业。
It's so cute, right?
Yeah.
It's from a local artist. He made it for me. I can't believe it.
One and only, special thank for the Jason.
It's so nice.
企业界的头人歹做，黄仁勋来台北头一天是无用假，拢无停卡。伊先和辉达办公室的老员工开会，说了个。
I have a meeting with CC Wei today. Yesterday, he had record revenues for TSMC. It was incredible, startling, just absolutely fantastic results. I'm very proud of him and very proud of our friends at TSMC.
下晡，伊要去参加会场的尾鸡，暗时的重头戏是甲辉达的员工做伙食尾鸡，穿乌披萨去庆祝。一听到记者嘛要对来采访辉达尾鸡的时阵，伊真着惊。
It's too cold, but don't get too cold.
规个关心的会，黄仁勋嘛展现伊的亲和力。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。